Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few cards for daily energies, and I'll be picking few cards for what your person feels about this connection. So let's start the reading. Cross. Capricorn, with these cards, I feel you are burdened. You are feeling burdened with your responsibilities. This may be in your work or in your relationship. You feel somebody is trying to dominate you, control you, and you just want to break free, guys. You are fed up of the suffering and all that ordeals you have to face in this relationship, and you just want to get away from this relationship, guys. So, or maybe somebody is forcing you to get away from this relationship, some kind of a dominating person. That may be someone who is counseling you in your financial matters or in your life, somebody older than you, someone from your family, maybe a parent or someone, guys. So um, that may be the energy here, guys. So but for some of you all, you feel that you are destined to be with this person, though you feel the burden of this relationship. You are feeling tired and really sad about this, but you feel you are there because it is destiny, guys. You are destined to be there with this person at this time. So some kind of karmic cycle, maybe it is coming to an end, guys. So that is the way I feel about these with these cards. That is the energy, guys. Or maybe this person is trying to control you in your relationship, and you want to break free, guys. You just want to break free from this relationship. They are trying to dominate you, and maybe for some of you all, this is a time for reflection within yourself. You are understanding life for what it is meant to be, and you are getting what to say clearly belief in yourself. You are getting spiritual growth, and you are progressing in your life, guys. Progressing spiritually in your spiritual life. You are just progressing great miles now because of this, what to say, negative situations around you. So something is coming to an end, guys. Maybe this relationship, or this confusion, or this controlling energy. So whatever it is, you are just getting away. You're trying hard to get away from it, and maybe you will be successful going away from it, guys. It may be true. Maybe you want to move away this person, or this may be your person or someone from your family, somebody. So you just want to break free away from them, whoever is trying to control you and dominate you, guys. So that is the way you feel, Capricorn. Let us see what is your person's energy in this relationship, guys. What they feel about this connection. But this person is really happy, guys. So They are what to say, they see you as a great inspiration in their life, and they find you very lucky. They want to start a family with you, maybe, and they want to have children with you. That is the way they feel about this connection. So maybe this controlling energy is not from your person, maybe it is from somebody else who's trying to separate you. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Someone is trying to separate you guys. They want to what to say, control you in your decisions. They want to break you free from this person. But as far as I see with these cards, your person is feeling very happy, optimistic, positive in this relationship. They want to start a family with you, and they want to come towards you maybe with an engagement. And they, or maybe you had some fights, and maybe this person was trying to control you, and maybe they are changing their behavior because they love you a lot, guys. So they're changing their behavior for this affection, for this understanding relationship they are having with you, and they are happy to be there for you. So maybe if this person was trying to dominate you and control you, they are going to change their ways, guys. So that is the reading, guys. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today. I'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, what the angels are telling us to do. Face your challenges. Okay, guys, so every day is a different day, guys, and we face so many problems each and every day. So in order to face them, we need courage and strength in our heart, guys, in our beliefs and ideals. So whatever we stand for, we have to have the true faith in ourselves that we can overcome any kind of challenge, and turn it into an opportunity for us to grow, guys. So in life, all these challenges are just lessons for us to learn, guys. They are just experiences that are there for us to learn every day, and we learn our lessons. So when we face life with such an attitude, we have that courage and confidence in our minds, and we surely know every day will be different, and tomorrow may bring us the success, okay, in our challenges. So our challenges may just disappear, guys. So that is the angels guidance message, guys. So you need to be very courageous and strong in your heart. So that is the angels guidance message. That is the reading, Capricorn. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.